For an additional assignment, I decided to look into relationships and communications. Relationships and communications is something that every person needs to know how to work with. Relationships and communications used to be just in person, but now with the vast development of technology, more and more face to face contact is not as common. While technology has created many ways for people to talk without the face to face interactions, technology has also created more ways for us to interact with people around the world. According to Relationships and Communications, social media sites and online communities are great resources to connect with others and learn from people around the world. The majority of kids' online relationships are with people they already know. Social media actually facilitates and strengthens offline interactions. Well, yes, people connect to those online that they really do know offline, but there are also interactions with some people they do not know, which could be very dangerous. There are many positive things that the internet can do, but we must also know what the dangers of the internet brings. On Children Development Institute's website, they first list 5 dangers that are important to know as well as teach students that they could run into when interacting online. These 5 dangers consist of false identities, are easy to create, internet predators, so many websites to choose from. Like there are a lot of websites to choose from. Not all information is private, and they are in control. Knowing these dangers and teaching them could help children stay safe during their relationships and communications online. While students get older, they discover more and more of the internet. And there are many things that we can do in school to make sure that they are using correct websites. Uncommon Sense's education had some that can be used for younger children that I had picked out. These uh, involve how to write emails correctly, how emails can be sent, and how to show respect online to others. And another thing I found on Evergreen Public Schools website, they list some keys for helping children to develop healthy relationships both on and offline. These keys consist of keep communication open and honest, remind them that you are always available to talk as a school staff or a friend's parent or caregiver. Talk about what's private. Teens may differ with their parents in what they view as private and what's okay to share, but remind them that intimate posts or messages can be copied and shared with thousands of people in an instant. Don't dismiss digital talk. Don't underestimate the power of text, IMs, and other digital medias to strengthen existing relationships. Teens all often move fluidly from online to off. All these things are something that children need to learn so that they can be safe while exploring online relationships as well as online communication with others, but can also be transferred to meeting new people offline as well.